Inside a modern camel wool factory, where coarse desert fibers are cleaned and transformed into luxurious wool product.
Fresh, clean water rinses remaining residues from the wool. Front view highlights flowing rinse water. Side angle remaining wool clumps are gently broken apart without stress. Front view focuses on opening zone.
Cleaning drums gently open the camel wool fibers. Front view highlights fiber separation. Side angle shows ultra-slow drum motion.
Initial cleaned camel wool is smoothly transferred toward the wash section. Front view shows
Soft water circulation begins loosening and softening camel wool fibers.
Minimal mechanical agitation helps clean deep fiber layers. Front view shows slow rotation paddles. Side angle captures
Sensors gently assess camel wool fiber length without contact. Front view highlights measurement zone.
Wool spacing preserves natural softness of camel wool fibers. Front view height light tone.
Remaining wool clumps are gently broken apart without stress. Front view focuses on opening zone.
Everything seems stable on this end. Agreed, the flow rate is optimal.
Moisture levels are slowly stabilized inside the chamber. Front view shows control indicators. Side angle.
Protective spacing keeps camel wool fibers separated during drying. Front view shows even spread. Side angle highlights soft.
The low temperature air is circulating well.
Yes, the side angle confirms the fibers are barely moving. We have no heat stress.
Twisting continues as fibers transform into a continuous show's smooth yarn strand.
For sealing tape application, top confirms batch alignment. Fabric roll hint inside carton maintained, human-free ultra-slow cinematic.